Creating the perfect life is a goal that many people aspire to, but it can often feel like an elusive and overwhelming task. However, with the right mindset, tools, and strategies, it is possible to create a life that is fulfilling, meaningful, and aligned with your personal values and goals. In this video, we will explore some key principles and practices for creating the perfect life as a guy. 1. Define your vision and values. The first step in creating the perfect life is to define your vision and values. This involves taking the time to reflect on what matters most to you, what brings you joy and fulfillment, and what you want to achieve in your life. It's important to be honest with yourself and to avoid getting caught up in societal expectations or the opinions of others. Once you have a clear sense of your vision and values, you can begin to set goals and make decisions that are aligned with them. This can help you stay focused and motivated, and ensure that you are living a life that is true to yourself. 2. Build a supportive network. Creating the perfect life is not something that you can do alone. It's important to build a supportive network of friends, family, mentors, and colleagues who can provide you with guidance, encouragement, and accountability. When building your network, focus on cultivating relationships with people who share your values and goals, and who can help you grow and develop as a person. Be open to new connections and opportunities, and don't be afraid to ask for help or support when you need it. 3. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of yourself is an essential part of creating the perfect life. This means prioritizing your physical, emotional, and mental health, and making time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Some key self-care practices include getting enough sleep, eating a healthy and balanced diet, exercising regularly, and practicing mindfulness or meditation. It's also important to set boundaries and say no to activities or commitments that don't align with your values or goals. 4. Pursue your passions and interests. Another key aspect of creating the perfect life is pursuing your passions and interests. This can help you stay engaged and motivated, and provide you with a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Whether it's a hobby, a creative pursuit, or a career path, it's important to find activities that you are passionate about and to make time for them in your life. This can help you build skills and expertise, and open up new opportunities and possibilities. 5. Embrace challenges and failure. Creating the perfect life is not a linear or easy process. There will be setbacks, challenges, and failures along the way. It's important to embrace these experiences as opportunities for growth and learning, rather than as signs of inadequacy or defeat. When faced with challenges or failures, take the time to reflect on what you can learn from the experience, and how you can use it to improve and grow. This can help you build resilience and develop a growth mindset that will serve you well in all aspects of your life. 6. Give back to others. Finally, creating the perfect life is not just about achieving your own goals and dreams. It's also about giving back to others and making a positive impact on the world around you. This can involve volunteering, donating to charity, or simply being kind and compassionate to those around you. When you give back to others, you not only help to make the world a better place, but you also build meaningful connections and relationships that can bring joy and fulfillment to your own life. In conclusion, creating the perfect life as a guy is a journey that involves defining your vision and values, building a supportive network, prioritizing self-care, pursuing your passions and interests, embracing challenges and failure, and giving back to others.